Before you start cutting anything, your books, you're going to want to determine the size of the folder that you'd like to use or binder to put your companion in. So this is a full-size binder. It uses a 3-ring punch, and I've got a 3-ring punch binder here that I could use if I chose to go this route. You'll see that the Creative Companion certainly fits in here, and it's close, but I can line up the holes so that they will meet the pages in the book. So that is one option, to go with a full-size 3-ring binder. I also have a smaller binder. This one measures, let's see here, this is about 8 inches by 10.5. So this is a little bit smaller, and this is also a 3-ring binder. And you'll see that for my previous version, the 2019 Creative Companion, I've got just a couple of pages left in it now. But I originally sent it through my binding machine, my punch machine, to get all the little holes in it, because I had planned on spiral binding it. However, I didn't have any coils that were big enough for the book. So I did repunch these and put these pages into the smaller folder.